Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can delete all your posts on Facebook page. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Write your comments after watching and also put likes under this video. So friends, let's get started. And first of all, open the Facebook app on your device. If you open Facebook and you don't have your main account page here, you need to switch to the page. To do that, go to the menu section at the bottom. Then at the top right, you'll need to click on this sign here to see a list of all the pages and accounts that are attached to your Facebook. Here, select the page you want, click on it to switch. Next, when you switch to the top left, click on the image of your page. Scroll down to the bottom, and here you'll need to select Manage Posts. Click on it, and it will take you to a list of all the posts that you have on your Facebook page that have already been published or are scheduled to be published. If, friends, you need to find, let's say, only published posts, you can filter them. Click on the word Filters, select Published Posts, and you're done. This will show you a list of already published posts on your page. Next, to delete a post, you will need to click on the three dots in front of it. Select Delete here. Then confirm your action and wait a few seconds for your post to be deleted. If you still see that your post is still here in this list, don't worry, you just need to go back to your page, refresh it, and after that you will see that the post has been deleted. Let me tell you right away, friends, that unfortunately Facebook doesn't have an option to delete all posts on a page at once. So if you want to delete more than one post, then you'll have to do it manually as I've shown you, separately with each post, because you won't be able to delete them any other way. So this is the way you will be able to delete all your posts from your Facebook page. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful and that it helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes, be sure to comment and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.